What if the very thing your dog fears the most is quietly creating a cycle that becomes harder and harder to escape with every passing week? For countless dogs across the country, grooming anxiety is not simply a behavioral challenge. It is often the beginning of a serious physical and emotional struggle that can eventually lead to severe matting, chronic discomfort, and a declining quality of life. A dog that becomes nervous during brushing, bathing, nail trims, or professional grooming appointments may begin avoiding any form of handling. Many loving owners, wanting to protect their companion from stress, unintentionally reduce grooming sessions or postpone them altogether. At first, this may seem harmless. A missed brushing session turns into several missed sessions. Small tangles begin forming beneath the surface of the coat. Weeks later, those tangles tighten, multiply, and connect together, creating dense mats that pull relentlessly against the skin. What started as mild anxiety gradually develops into a condition that causes pain every time the dog moves, lies down, or even turns its head. This is the hidden cycle that many pet parents never see until the problem has become severe. Dr. Karen Becker has often emphasized the importance of viewing our dogs through a compassionate lens that considers both their physical and emotional well-being. When a dog experiences fear during grooming, that fear is real. The elevated stress hormones, rapid heartbeat, trembling muscles, and defensive behaviors are not signs of stubbornness. They are signals that the dog is overwhelmed. Unfortunately, severe matting can make future grooming sessions even more frightening because the removal process often requires extensive handling, clipping, and prolonged restraint. The dog remembers the discomfort, associates grooming with negative experiences, and becomes even more fearful the next time. As a result, the cycle strengthens itself. Anxiety leads to less grooming leads to matting, and matting creates even greater anxiety. For dogs with long, curly, double or continuously growing coats, this pattern can escalate rapidly. Beneath the mat of fur, moisture becomes trapped against the skin. Dirt, debris, and bacteria may accumulate in hidden pockets. Air circulation is reduced, creating an environment where irritation can flourish. Some dogs develop painful hot spots, skin infections, or restricted movement due to the tightness of the nets. In extreme cases, severe matting can conceal wounds, parasites, and underlying medical conditions that remain unnoticed for months. What appears to be a cosmetic issue from the outside can actually represent a significant welfare concern. Understanding this reality is the first step toward breaking the cycle. Like recognizing that grooming anxiety and severe matting are deeply connected, we can begin approaching the problem with patience, empathy, and a commitment to rebuilding trust. The good news is that professional groomers, veterinarians, and informed pet owners are discovering highly effective ways to reduce fear while protecting coat health, and one remarkable transformation demonstrates exactly how powerful that approach can be. One particularly challenging case reveals just how deeply grooming anxiety and severe matting can affect a dog's life. The dog appeared calm from a distance, but the moment anyone reached toward the coat, the fear became obvious. The body stiffened, the eyes widened, every movement suggested anticipation of discomfort. Beneath the outer layer of fur, hidden from immediate view, was a network of dense mats that had been forming for months. Each mat had gradually tightened against the skin like a restrictive blanket that could not be removed without careful intervention. The owner loved the dog deeply and had never intended for the situation to become so serious. It's like many devoted pet parents. The owner had tried to avoid causing stress by reducing grooming sessions whenever anxiety appeared. Unfortunately, that well-meaning decision allowed the coat condition to worsen until the problem could no longer be ignored. This is where a powerful lesson emerges, one that aligns closely with the philosophy often shared by Dr. Karen Becker. True compassion is not avoiding every uncomfortable experience. True compassion is helping our dogs navigate necessary experiences in ways that build confidence rather than fear. Professional groomers who specialize in fearful dogs understand this principle. Instead of forcing rapid compliance, they focus on creating an environment where trust can begin to replace anxiety. Every touch becomes intentional, every pause serves a purpose, every positive interaction contributes to a new emotional memory. As the grooming process began, the severity of the matting became increasingly apparent. Areas that looked manageable from the outside concealed extensive tangles underneath. Some sections of the coat had become so compacted that ordinary brushing was no longer possible without causing significant discomfort. The situation required patience, skill, and careful decision-making. Rushing would increase fear, excessive restraint could damage trust. Yet, leaving the mats in place would allow the dog's suffering to continue. The balance between immediate relief and emotional well-being became critically important. What happened next surprised everyone involved. Rather than escalating into panic, the dog gradually started responding to a calmer approach. Frequent breaks, gentle handling, and consistent reassurance reduced tension little by little. The transformation was not instant. Progress occurred in small moments that might seem insignificant to an outside observer: a relaxed posture, a softer expression, a willingness to remain still for a few extra seconds. These subtle changes represented something much larger than grooming success. They represented the rebuilding of trust. But even as progress continued, one important question remained unanswered. What would be discovered once the thickest mats were finally removed? Experienced professionals know that severe matting often hides conditions that cannot be evaluated until the coat is cleared away. Skin irritation, inflammation, moisture damage, and even previously unnoticed injuries sometimes remain concealed beneath the surface. As more of the tangled coat was carefully removed, concern grew about what might be waiting underneath. The answer would reveal just how serious the situation had truly become and why early intervention is one of the greatest gifts we can give our dogs. As the final layers of matting were carefully removed, the full reality of the situation finally became visible. Fortunately, the worst fears were not realized, but there were unmistakable signs that the dog had been living with discomfort for a long time. The skin beneath the mats appeared irritated and sensitive in several areas. Some spots showed redness caused by constant friction and restricted airflow. What seemed from the outside to be a simple grooming issue had actually been affecting the dog's daily comfort, movement, and overall well-being. Yet, the most remarkable discovery was not hidden beneath the coat. It was visible in the dog's behavior. The same animal that had once associated grooming with fear was beginning to experience something different. The eyes looked softer. The body language appeared more relaxed. The constant tension that had defined previous grooming experiences was slowly fading. In that moment, it became clear that breaking the cycle was about far more than removing mats. It was about restoring trust. This lesson carries an important message for every dog owner. Fear does not disappear because we avoid it. Fear is transformed when we create positive experiences that gradually replace negative associations. This principle is deeply connected to the wellness-centered approach that Dr. Becker has long encouraged for dogs and their caregivers. Physical health and emotional health are not separate systems. They influence each other every day. A dog that feels safe is more likely to cooperate during necessary care. A dog that receives regular preventive grooming is less likely to experience painful matting. A dog that has positive interactions with trusted professionals develops confidence that can last for years. The journey from severe matting to a healthy coat rarely happens in a single appointment. It is usually the beginning of a new routine built on patience, consistency, and understanding. Short brushing sessions at home, reward beast handling exercises, regular coat maintenance, and carefully planned grooming visits all contribute to long-term success. Every positive experience becomes another step away from anxiety and another step toward confidence. What matters most is not perfection. What matters is progress. Even small improvements can create meaningful changes in a dog's quality of life. For those who share their lives with long-coated dogs, the message is especially important. The coat should never be viewed as a cosmetic feature alone. It is closely connected to comfort, mobility, skin health, and emotional well-being. Early intervention can prevent months of discomfort. Gentle training can prevent years of fear. Consistent care can transform grooming from a stressful event into a routine part of a healthy life. The story of this dog demonstrates that no matter how severe the matting becomes or how strong the anxiety appears, positive change is possible when compassion is combined with knowledge and patience. Every dog deserves that opportunity. Every dog deserves to feel comfortable in its own skin. Every dog deserves caregivers who understand that trust is built one positive experience at a time. If you are benefiting from our topics, please subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you can see our new videos early.